guys, so it's 6 in the morning, and I'm going to try to prank my brother. I'm going to pretend I farted, but it's actually my arm, and see how it goes. He hates fart, even though he does it, but he hates it, and it's going to be pretty funny. So, let's get to it. There he is right there. So here we go. Stink it all up right there. Like this, sir? Yeah. Ew, you have snot in your nose. So, did you enjoy this, sir? Look. It's just a prank. It's just a prank. See? It's just a prank. Jeez. Just a prank. My brother got pranked. So how did you feel? Disgust. This dude is tired. That's why you should never stayed up watching 101 Dalmatians. You should have went to bed. You got school today. He has school today. He has school today. That's it for you guys. Like, comment, and subscribe. I don't know if this is funny for you, but I don't care. I honestly don't.